Are you guys waiting on something?
We were all contemplating doing it or not.
All right, I'm gonna do it.
Let's go. Let's go, man.
Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. Holy sh**.
This is Crested Butte's Rambo run, and it's truly insane. This is one of the hardest tree to find trails you'll find anywhere. It's not every day you'll end up on a trail where you can see the bottom before you can see the full actual run, but Rambo is one of these. At a 55-degree pitch, Rambo is for all intents and purposes the steepest lift service tree cut trail in North America. But the phrase tree cut should be used with an asterisk. The resort has decided that tree clearing is not a priority on this expert level run, and as is plain to see here, shrubs are popping up all over the place.
Alright.
And hidden amongst these shrubs are even more obstacles like rocks and stumps.
Oh man, this is like mandatory air right here. Whew. Maybe not quite mandatory air, but oh my god. This trail is so hard. Woo. Hardest part, taking care of your skis, which is pretty typical of Crested Butte. Oh, I bet the ski repair shops here make bank. That's what we just did. Guess those boys aren't coming down.